Etard reaction. The Etard reaction is a chemical reaction that involves the direct oxidation of an aromatic or heterocyclic compound. The heterocyclic compound or aromatic compound must be a methyl substituted compound. In this, the methyl group attached to the aromatic or heterocyclic compound is converted to an aldehyde using chromyl chloride. For example, when toluene is oxidized with chromyl chloride, benzaldehyde is formed. This reaction is known as Etard reaction. And the reagent used in Etard reaction is chromyl chloride. First, we are going to discuss about Wurtz reaction. It is a reaction of alkyl halide with sodium. Alkyl halide react with sodium in presence of dry ether to form a higher alkane. The presence of dry ether is a must in Wurtz reaction because we know that sodium is a highly reactive metal. So we need a medium which does not react with sodium. If we use water as a medium, it will ionize sodium metal and the reaction is not possible. So we use dry ether or acetone as a medium, which is a non-polar medium and it does not react with sodium. In the reaction, we take 2 molecules of alkyl halide. The 2 molecules is very mandatory in Wurtz reaction and they react with 2 sodium atoms such that the Rx plus Rx in presence of 2Na will give you RR plus 2NaX. For example, CH3Br plus 2Na plus CH3Br in presence of dry ether will give you CH3CH3 plus 2NaBr. Ullman reaction. It involves any halogen substituted benzene is heated with copper powder in a red hot tube, that is about 800 degrees Celsius. Diphenyl is formed. For example, when 2 iodobenzene react with copper at 800 degrees Celsius in presence of ether, we get diphenyl plus CuI2. The Reimer Tiemann reaction. The Reimer Tiemann reaction is a chemical reaction used for the autoformylation of phenols. That is, the aromatic aldehydes containing hydroxyl groups are prepared by this method. For example, when phenol is heated with chloroform and an alkali at about 340 Kelvin followed by acidification with an acid, we get salicylaldehyde. as the product. The reagent used in the reaction are chloroform and an alkali such as sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide, etc. Gattermann-Koch reaction. This reaction basically converts benzene into benzaldehyde and the reagent used are carbon monoxide, hydrochloric acid and hydrous aluminum chloride or cuprous chloride. Along the reaction, one hydrogen atom of the benzene ring get replaced with an aldehydic functional group, giving a for example, benzene on treating with carbon monoxide and hydrogen chloride in presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride or cuprous chloride will give you benzaldehyde. Kolbe's reaction. When phenol is treated with sodium hydroxide, sodium phenoxide is produced. This sodium phenoxide, when treated with carbon dioxide, followed by acidification, undergoes electrophilic substitution to give orthohydroxybenzoic acid as the main product. This is known as Kolbe's reaction. For example, when sodium phenoxide is heated with carbon dioxide under a pressure of 4 to 7 atmosphere, sodium salt of salicylic acid is formed. The salt on acidification yield salicylic acid.